How to find the IP address on Roku TV without remote. Hi there, welcome to our channel, and I'm going to talk about the issue that you're facing and the solution also. If you have lost your Roku remote and want to find the IP address of your Roku TV, don't worry, there are a few simple methods you can use. Here's how. The method 1 is using the Roku mobile app if already connected. So download the Roku mobile app on your phone, available on Android and iOS. Ensure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Roku TV. Open the Roku app, then tap Devices, then select your Roku device. Tap the three-dot menu. This is actually the More option. Then go to View System Info. It will show the IP address of your Roku TV. Now, method 2 is using your remote's web interface. If you can't access the Roku app, you can check your router's connected devices list. Log into your Wi-Fi router web browser. Usually this is 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Enter your router username and password, then check the back of your router, then look for connected devices, device list or DHCP client list. Look for a device named Roku, TCL, Hisense or something similar. The corresponding IP address shown is your Roku TV's IP. Now, method 3 is using a network scanning tool. This is actually mobile. This will work for you on your mobile or PC. Download a free app like Fing. This is actually the mobile app and advanced IP scanner. This is actually the PC application. Then connect your phone or PC to the same Wi-Fi as your Roku. Then scan the network. Look for Roku TV in the list. Then it will display the IP address. The fourth method is check on your TV's physical info label. Some Roku TVs have their IP address printed on the back of the TV or near the serial number or MAC address level. Not always available, but worth checking. Now, final tip is once you find the IP address, you can also control your Roku TV using Roku mobile app or web-based Roku remote using IP. That's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.